Hello friends, this is Ayan here and once again warm welcome back to your YouTube channel, the Delta Neutral, and your favorite playlist, the 5 Minutes Learning. So today in this video, I am going to uncover one of the major facts related to mutual fund investments which most of the investors are unaware of. So friends, let me tell you that in case if you're going to watch this video till the end, you are indeed going to save your money which you were unknowingly giving to the hands of the fund owners without any reason. So please stay tuned, please do watch this video till the end and let's start. In India, most of the mutual funds operating except the index funds usually have a lock-in period of 1, 3 or even 5 years. So what is this lock-in period? Lock-in period is the specified interval of time within which you will not be allowed to make any kind of withdrawals from your mutual fund investments. Now one can ask me that in case if there is any kind of medical emergency or any other such urgent financial need, in that case will I not be able to touch my own money? Nothing like that. You can even withdraw your money forcefully before the lock-in period, but in that case you need to pay a certain sum of money back, a certain percentage of your entire capital back to the fund owner as a penalty, and this thing is known as the exit load of that mutual fund. But so now let's assume an example of an investor who had been investing in a monthly basis in form of an SIP in a mutual fund for the last 5 years or for the first 60 months. So now what he tries to tell is the lock-in period of that fund is only 1 year, whereas he had been an investor in that fund for 5 long years. So he doesn't need to worry about, neither he needs to care about any kind of such exit load whenever he is trying to withdraw the entire sum of money. But let me tell you that he is wrong, because in each and every mutual funds, whenever you are investing a certain sum of money, in return what are you getting? You are getting some units of the mutual funds, right? And in each and every mutual funds, the age of these units get calculated separately. What I mean is he had been investing in the fund for the 60 last months, right? So against the investments in the first month he had got some units, right? And the age of those units are 5 years. In the second month he had invested some money, in return got some units, and the age of those units are right now 4 years 11 months. So all of their ages are more than 1 year, which is the lock-in period of the mutual fund. But for the 60th month, in the 60th month he had also invested, he had also bought some units of the mutual fund, and what is the age of those units? Are they more than 1 year? No. The second last month he had invested, he was doing an SIP, so the second last month also he had invested. Okay, 2 months back he had invested, he had got some units in return. And what is the age of those units? Greater than 1 year? No. So for the last 11 months, from now the last 11 months, whatever units he had got in return, are their ages more than 1 year or the lock-in period of that mutual fund? No, right? So in case if he is going to withdraw the entire money back now, he will be charged with an exit load only upon the units that he had got for the last 11 months. So it's nothing like that if the lock-in period is 1 year and if you have been an investor for 5 long years, you are being exempted from the exit load charges. So hope you understood what my point was. So in case if you have any effective solution against this problem, in case if you know how to manage effectively, how to manage efficiently this kind of problems, then please don't forget to mention your opinion in the comment section below. Please don't forget to like this video, to subscribe to my channel and to hit the bell icon as well. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching, my friend.